Hola, bienvenido a TECHEDTV. Hi, how are you guys? Welcome to TECHEDTV. This is a technology magazine series created for you, for an audience of people that are entrepreneurs, startup owners, scientists, engineers, students, whoever wants to learn about technology in both languages, Espanol and English. I am Dr. Edwin Hernandez. I have a PhD in computer engineering from the University of Florida. I have 11 issued patents. I have been working in this field of technology for over 25 years, since I was about 15 years old. So it's been a long journey. I have been working for companies like Motorola and Microsoft. I am an expert witness as well for patent and technology cases. I run an incubator here in Boca Raton, Florida, and this incubator is it's called the Iglevator, and that's where these studios are located. Muchas gracias entonces. Thank you very much again for joining. Please share this video with your friends. Comparta este video con sus amigos. And thanks again for watching. Welcome to TECHEDTV. I hope if you have any questions, you want me to cover something, any particular conference or tech event, just let me know. My contact information is right there. TechEd.tv, that's our website. And at TechTV is TechEdTV is our handle. And thank you again for joining. See you soon.